Good, Lynn.
So Jimmy,
Yeah, Artie.
did you hear the news?
I heard the news, so I got in my car and I drove all the way to the waterfall to see the bottom of the waterfall where the barrel is supposed to be. No barrel.
And no barrel at all on the bottom.
No barrel at all on the bottom. I was disappointed. I wanted to see a little blood.
But you know why I brought you here, right? We asked you to put Louie in the barrel and make sure that it was a done deal. And
Well-
you know what we mean by a done deal, right?
I know what you mean by a done deal. I went to Louis, and Louis said to put you in the barrel.
Louie wants me in the barrel.
That's right, that's why we got a barrel sitting right here.
And now
Your size.
I'm the father of this family. Now I gotta go in the barrel,
That's right, father in the barrel.
and then the barrel goes over the,
That's right, you're next.
and I'm going, and you're my,
Get in the barrel, go. Have
There
fun.
you go.
and you're my son. You put me in the barrel.
That's right, Dad.
I want you to save this barrel for your son.
I'll consider that, Dad. Bye, Dad!
Yes.